everyone, welcome to News and Flash column of 31st August 2021, which is brought to you by LawSikho. The first news and point which we are going to discuss today is National Small Industry Day. National Small Industry Day is an annual celebration that recognizes the value of small business in our society. Every year on August 30th, the country celebrates National Small Industry Day. The day is dedicated to encouraging small business around the country. On August 38, 2000, a comprehensive policy package for the SSI sector was launched, providing significant support to small firms in India. It was subsequently agreed that August 30th would be designated as SSI Day. The next news we have, Sumit Antil wins Javelin gold. India's Sumit Antil won gold in men's javelin at the Tokyo Paralympics with a new world record throw of 68.55 meters. Sumit Antil smashed the world record not once, not twice, but thrice during the final in Tokyo. It was a good day in javelin throw for India, with Devendra Jajaria winning silver and Sundar Singh Gurjar bringing home the bronze in men's javelin final earlier on Monday. With 7 medals already, India has registered its best ever haul at the Paralympic Games. The next we have noted Bengali writer Buddhadeb Guha dies. Noted Bengali writer Buddha Guha died in Kolkata hospital. He was 85. A chartered accountant by profession, Guha was one of the most popular writers who created the popular children's character Rijda and his sidekick Rudra, who explored jungles. Nature and forest were recurrent themes in his novels and short stories. He is best remembered for his novel Madhukori, which is considered a milestone in Bengali literature. Guha was the recipient of many awards, including Ananda Pushkara in 1976, later Shiromani Puraskar, and then Sharad Puraskar. Next we have new initiative in Jammu and Kashmir to restore lost glory of Pashmina shawls. The Center for Excellence, that is CFE, has been set up by shawl trader Mujataba Kadri, who owns Me and K brand, and Adhyam Aditya Birla Group at Old City's Narvara area to restore the lost hand-driven process involved in the intricate shawl weaving industry. The Directorate of Handicrafts and Handloom Kashmir has announced a minimum support price for geographical indication certified handmade Pashmina shawls. The move is likely to generate employment and improve the economic prospects of women weavers who have for the generation sustained the intricate and fancy Kashmiri shawls. Lastly, we have 58 Vande Bharat trains. The Indian Railway has floated a tender for the production of 58 new Vande Bharat trains and aim to deliver 75 trains by August 23 next year. This comes in the backdrop of PM's Independence Day announcement of rolling out 75 Vande Bharat Express trains that will be launched to connect different parts of the country in 75 weeks to mark the ongoing Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. These trains will be manufactured in Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, Modern Coach Factory, Raebareli, and Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala. So this was all for the news and flash today. We hope you like our session. Also, if you wish to follow it, definitely give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching and do subscribe it.